Hey guys, it's Maria and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a everyday natural makeup routine. I've gotten a lot of requests on a natural makeup routine, so I thought I would do one for you guys. I'm going to start with eyebrows. So this is a natural makeup routine, so I'm going to try and make my eyebrows look as natural as possible. So I'm just going to do light strokes with the pomade. I'm gonna moisturize my face, and I'll have all the products that I used in the video in the description box. I really like this moisturizer because it's not too heavy or oily, and it's perfect to wear under makeup. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and I'm gonna just prime my face, and I like to put it on my nose and like on the sides of my nose, like where my smile line is, and then under my eye. I'm gonna use tinted moisturizer, and I'm just gonna put that on my face. I'm gonna conceal my under eyes, and I'm gonna put concealer on my nose and my forehead. After I conceal my face, I like to go in with the Too Faced bronzer, and I like to just contour my nose. I like to drag up the contour and put it onto my eyelids, like as the eyeshadow, I guess. I'm gonna blend out the contour with a sponge. I'm gonna take the Too Faced Peach Perfect translucent powder, and I love this powder because it smells like peach, and yeah, it smells really good, so it makes your face smell really good. So I'm gonna take the powder and I'm just gonna place it on the sides of my nose, and I like to place the powder on the bridge of my nose as well as the tip, and then under my eyes too, and on my forehead. Okay, I'm gonna take my bronzer and I'm gonna just bronze up my face. I'm gonna take the Milano blush in Luminoso, and I'm just gonna blush up my face. I'm gonna take the James Charles palette. I'm gonna use this shade. You're gonna take an angled brush with that brown taupey shade, and you're just gonna make a small winged line on the outer edge of your eye. Like that. And then you're gonna connect it from the bottom waterline, just like that. I'm gonna put highlight on the tip of my nose and on the bridge, and then I like to put it under my eyebrows and on my eyes too, in my inner corner. Almost done. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. And I'm gonna apply mascara. Okay, so this is a finished makeup look. I love this look. It's really cute and it's really simple. It's very quick to do, and yeah, it's puts you together in a really natural way. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys would like to see me do next. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Bye guys.